Welcome back everybody, this is Carson and today I am showing you the behind the scenes of my latest TikTok video. If you have not checked it out, here it is right now. The idea was very simple. I have these scooters and just wanted to make something fun with it and a good way to show it off, and I thought the best way too is to kind of incorporate my own video skills. So first things first, I started off the video with a picture, and I essentially just took a picture on my iPhone and I am using the sprocket in order to print it out and to get the beginning of it. Step one done. Now it's time to actually shoot with it coming up. Now I want to make sure that this video can lead. I have the idea that the scooter is going to drive off and then I'm going to pull this up. So I'm going to actually not drive the scooter, I'm just going to pull from it and then bring this up. That was by far the most challenging part. It probably took me 20 takes. Although I realized I need to shoot at about 24 millimeters because that matches what the iPhone camera is going to look like. I had to take off the lens hood and I had to make sure my feet weren't really in it and that I kept the image kind of in the top right to be able to block the actual scooter. On to the next part. Being made, showing off some key points of it like the flag, the wheels, and then of course the throttle. All to go to the next part. I then got the realistic part of what it really looks like to shoot a video like that, and I just simply used my other camera on like a mini tripod over here. Now this was not supposed to be some super cinematic video or anything. This was just me trying to have fun on a Friday. I had a client actually unfortunately get coronavirus, so I had the day off, so made the most of it, and what's more fun than creating a TikTok. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. This has been Carson, and I hope you have a great weekend. Peace.